Here's the easiest method I've found on how to strain and clean your rice before cooking it. All I'm using is this plastic OXO rice strainer. It's got holes in the bottom here to drain water out and holes in the side so you can tip it and drain water out this way as well. I've got a link for this rice strainer from Amazon in the description below. Here's a quick demonstration. First thing I'll do is take 4 cups of the rice, put it in the rice strainer. All right, now I'll head on over to the sink and begin straining it. Now I'll run water through the rice until the drain off I see comes out clear as the water going in. Now I can see that the water coming out is as clean as the water going in. Now this is the least messy way I've found on how to clean my rice. So that's it. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.